Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my latest video that I share to my channel about fashion and trend. I know you are waiting of my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. So let's start the video. Today I'm sharing beautiful stacked inverted bob haircuts in this video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite one, inverted bob haircut or stacked bob haircut among them. No doubt, inverted stacked bob haircut are going on trend these days. After getting this hairstyle, you will feel like a celebrity, no doubt. These hairstyles are really gorgeous. All celebrities, young girls, college going girls, teenage girls are getting these hairstyles these days. In this summer season, inverted stacked bob haircut are on trending. While I am sharing all new, beautiful latest stacked bob and inverted bob in this video. While I am sharing with beautiful hair colors as well. You can your favorite one with chin length or shoulder length or short length. It depends on you which length and haircut you select for yourself and with which hair color. While I am sharing all the latest fashion hair color which are on trending these days. I hope you like this video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can share your ideas to comment section that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys on your ideas, and if you like the video you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they can also know about the latest fashion, because I always make video on fashion and about trend which are on trending. After subscribing the channel, you will be updated with fashion and trend through my videos. So guys, keep watching, keep supporting and keep sharing the video. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Your appreciation keep me boost and energetic. So keep boosting me. I will be there in next your favorite one and other topic. Till then, take care yourselves. Keep remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.